Very much like a footprint, a tire's contact patch is the part of the tire in contact with the ground. The contact patch varies in size and shape depending on the height and width of the tire. Tires with an aspect ratio where the height of the sidewall is large compared to the width tend to have a long and narrow contact patch. This is typical of passenger or light truck tires. Conversely, most high-performance tires have a lower aspect ratio. The contact patch is typically shorter and wider. Tire pressure affects a vehicle's handling by reducing or increasing the tire's slip angle. Slip angle is the difference between where the tire is steered or pointed and the tire's actual direction of travel. Higher tire pressures reduce the slip angle. This would create wear along the center of the tire's tread due to the contact patch being smaller. Lower tire pressures increase the slip angle. This would create wear on both shoulders of the underinflated tire. Use the arrow to adjust tire pressure and see the effect on the tire's contact patch.
Tire tread patterns are the arrangement of continuous ribs, independent tread blocks or lugs, grooves, and thin sipes molded into the tread to fine-tune noise, handling, traction, and wear. Longitudinal grooves channel the water away from the tire and help keep the blocks in contact with the road. Transverse grooves grip mud, snow, and ice, as well as channel these elements away. Sipes are special slits within a tread block that open as the tire rolls into the contact patch, then close, breaking the water tension on the road surface and putting rubber in contact with the road to maintain adhesion, increasing wet and snow traction. Tire wear bars are located in the grooves.
There are 3 major tread patterns. Select each pattern for details. Symmetric tires have the same pattern of grooves, tread blocks, and lugs across the entire tread face of the tire. This design has the most flexibility for mounting and rotation. Tires can be mounted either side out on the left or right side of the car. They can also be rotated to any position. Asymmetric tires have a different pattern from left to right and are typically designed for better cornering. This prevents the tire from being mounted either side out. Directional tires are typically designed for high performance. They must be mounted in the direction noted on the sidewall. Unless they are dismounted from the wheel, these tires should only be rotated from front to back on the same side of the vehicle. Vehicle manufacturers are required to place tire information placards in a standardized location following a common format. The placards identify the original equipment tire sizes and inflation pressures, including the spare. The placard on new vehicles must be located on the driver's side door jamb, called the B-pillar, or elsewhere near the driver if there is no B-pillar. In addition to providing the original equipment tire size and recommended inflation pressure, the placard also states the maximum combined weight of occupants and cargo. This information is also listed in the owner's manual. The sidewall of a tire states the maximum tire pressure for maximum weight load. However, normal operating pressure is typically 20% less than maximum. Be sure the maximum load rating for the tires meets the standards stated on the door placard.